Hey family, it's your girl Renee, and today, I'm putting in your chocolate sprinkle because it is ready to go in. Let me show you what it's looking like. I had it in my winter sewing container, and I'll show you what it looks like. I only got one though, but I hope that this one will make me proud. So we're going to go ahead and plant it in this container right here. So let me get it prepped. Put all the amendments in here. Only got a little bit more of this blood meal in here. That's all I got. And then I'm going to put some of my homemade compost in there. And this is a container I wanted to put my ground cherry in there. So we're going to put the chocolate sprinkles here. And I don't know if chocolate sprinkles and ground cherries can grow together, but I don't know. I might have to find another spot for that. Come on, chocolate sprinkles. And I definitely have to put a case over here up top because Tails has been watching me all day. So I got to put a container. So here's the chocolate sprinkles. And I'm going to put a thing over it. Hopefully this bad boy will grow now that it's outside. I'm not going to cover it too much because I want the bottom leaves to get some air. I'm going to go take one of my containers off of my other pepper plant so I can put it on this tomato so it'll give it an opportunity to grow. So let me go get that and then I'll be right back. Hope it grows, Q. Okay, Q. Well, we're going to put some water on it. And then I have this basket that I'm going to put on the top of it. So let's give it a little water. So water, we had so much rain. So we're going to give it all a little drink. And then I'm going to cover it with this basket so Tails won't get a hold of it. There. Woohoo! Now that chocolate sprinkles has been planted. Okay. I've done that. And I only have a Swiss chard. I'll plant that tomorrow. Can you guys see the Swiss chard in there? And then I got to get this summer squash out because it is ready. Look at it. It is saying, release me, Renee, release me. And I think we're going to put the summer squash over here in this container over here. So let's go do that now. Because the more I can get this done, the better. Because this is, and then I can use these planters that I was using for my winter sowing. I can use them for something else. So let's go plant that winter squash. Okay, then I'm going to put this winter squash in here. My neighbor gave me 2 of the squash that she grew. So I'm going to just put them in there so they can grow together. So let me open this container of this winter squash. This summer squash, I should say. Let's get this open. And then we will plant it. Okay, guys, so this is what the winter squash, I should say the summer squash looks like. So let's get this in the ground. And then I'll show you what other things I planted today that I didn't film on camera. Put this right here. Get that in there. All right, it's planted in, you guys. Woohoo! I'm getting it done. I'm getting it done. All right, let me show you the other things that I planted off camera so you guys can see. Look at the wind. It is just blowing. Look at that. See how windy it is out here today? It ain't no joke out here today. Okay, guys, so I put in some squash and zucchini in this bed, and I covered them with those wire baskets because this bed always takes a hit, and Tails loves to dig in this bed. So that's why I protected them. And then I put some peppers in the back. So I don't know if squash can go with peppers, but child, we're going to try it today. Yes, we are. And then I didn't have like my twist tie that I normally do because down here is where I have my sugar snap peas. But I found out this little trick. You know, our regular little pots that we plant in. I just stuck these poles in the holes of these pots, and that's perfect. It keeps my bamboo sticks right where they need to be. Look at that. And I don't need to use a twisty tie. So, woohoo! And my sugar snap peas are doing fantastic, you guys. They're doing fantastic. So I'm very pleased about that. So all those little extra little pots we get from the DT, because that ain't nothing but a Dollar Tree container planting pot. So, yep, stuck that in there. All right, let me show you that I planted over here. Let's go. Woohoo! And my little violas here are bearded iris are coming in. My roses, and down here I planted a zucchini. And like I said, I don't know if zucchini goes with peppers, but I had some extra peppers, so I popped them in there with the zucchini. And then over here I have another zucchini, and I put some peppers in there, and I surrounded them with some marigolds. So we're gonna see how that does. And then over here, I'll turn you slowly. And you guys know my okra is doing good. The jambalaya and the red okra is doing really, really good. So let me swing you this way. Slowly as we turn. And let's walk over here to the watermelon bed. So I put some crimson sweet starts that I brought here. I got them in this bed with the ones that I grew, which were, let's see, which was I have the Sugar Baby watermelon, and I also have the Dixie Queen watermelon. Dixie Queen watermelon. So I got a little variety of watermelon in there. Hopefully they will grow. And then I have my cucumbers over here in this container. So they're coming along. It's just that I just got to stay on top, and I need to get some more of those wire baskets. I desperately need to hit some more of my DTs and get the wire baskets. So those wire baskets are saving me. That's why I wish I could put some on my my watermelon starts, because you know the birds like to eat them, you know, when the leaves are nice and tender. Look at this wind. Look at this, you guys. Let me turn you so you guys can see. Flag is a blowing. Look at that. But it's nice and cool, and it feels good out here. And I injured my knee somehow, you guys. So your girl is over here limping. But to give you an overview of what this side is looking like, I'm starting to get everything is starting to come together, you guys. So I'm going to clean up my mess, which is right over here. I got all this stuff right here. Got to clean this up, and your girl is done for the day. But I just wanted to bring you along to let you know that I haven't forgot about you guys. I'm still out here working hard and still trying to get this garden in some form and fashion, and I still got to put my clematis on that one trellis. And I got to get back to Aldi's because I need to buy a couple of more trellises that they have for $8.99 before they're all gone. So I'm going to try and do that maybe tomorrow. And if I do, you know I will bring you guys along, right along with me. All right, guys. Well, I'm ending it because I am done for the day. And you guys know what it feels like when you've been in the garden all day long and you're just tired and you just want to sit down and relax. Woohoo! But don't forget about that trick over there with that gardening pot for your trellises and stuff. All right, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day, you guys. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video, you guys. Woohoo!